Hey guys, welcome to Make Money Peter channel. It's me, Peter. Today, guys, we are showing you very great way to earn money. Earning up to $200 every month by doing nothing. Only just joining and that's it. So, do not skip the video and watch my video till the end. I will show you best strategies for earning money, making money today. So, hey guys, we are going to take a look at the website, and here we go and type Cointiply. So, as you wanna join the Cointiply and get the rewards, just click on my link. I put it on description, and you will get your reward. So here we go to Cointiply, the website, and we are going to take a look at the website. As you can see, when you are opening the website, you just have to join. Let me log out and you will see how to join. Here I logged out, and you can see this page. You have to log in or join. If you want to join, just enter your email address here. Just enter your email address and you will get joined. But I am already logged in, so I should just click on login, not sign up. And by clicking on login, you will just enter your email address and your password. As you see, this page, this shiny and glory page. So let me show you guys. Just click on earn coins, and as you see here, we have the offers. The first thing I want to show you guys, the first thing is daily free spin. So click on it and I will show you how to earn. It is so easy. You just roll and win. It based on your luck, you know, guys. So let's roll and win. Let's roll it and just type this words here. Jump the gun. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, as you see, you won 23 coins. I got this number and I got 23 coins here, as you see. Guys, this website is 100% real. This is not fake. This is not a scam. You just earn money by doing nothing, for free, doing nothing. So the second step here, guys, is pay to click PTC ads. As you see here, pay to click PTC ads. I click on it and you will see 224 coins available for you to earn. Got it? So as I want to show you, here is an ad and I click on view. Just remember guys, you can get the app, the Cointiply app, on your Android or iOS phone, and it is for free. You could do it better on Microsoft or your laptop, anything. But I want to show you. You just wait for 5 seconds, which is nothing, and you get your coin. as you see, select current. We can select it, and yeah, your view has been recorded, and I got my coin. I just earned coins for free, for nothing. Here are offers available, and what I want to show you another way, guys. But remember, just this is the first video I am uploading on my YouTube channel for Cointiply. I will upload next videos, and I will show you anything in this website, anything. Okay? But for now, just take a look at other things, take surveys, and earn coins. This is another way to earn coins. As you see, here are available offers, CPX research, Bet Labs, the Orem Rich, your surveys, and other offers available for you. It depends on your location, where you're located. There are very good opportunities here just by doing surveys. You can do polls, anything, and you will get your coins. As you see, 2,000 coins to 50,000 coins. You can up to 50. You can get up to 50,000 coins here. And other surveys, if you see here, I like the Orem Rich, if I spell it correctly, 1,000 to 25,000 coins. This is great. So guys, another way to get more coins is by installing games and apps offers. And there are a lot of offers for you here, as you see here. You can just install here. Install Age of Coins, Your Survey Direct, Love Water. These, for example, Love Water will get you this amount of coins, which is crazy, guys, which is crazy. Do not underestimate these offers, guys. Anyway, another way to earn coins is by watching videos, guys. You will get directed to other websites, which you just watch videos and you earn points, and these points will be converted to Cointiply points, and you will get money for that. So guys, it is so simple, and there are a lot of ways to earn money, earn coins here, and these coins will be directed to your Bitcoin wallet, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrencies, which is great for you no matter where you live in. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Take care.